Hi, I'm Dr. Janice, a dentist injector based in my clinic here in Hillsborough near Belfast. Today I'm going to talk about the treatment for excessive sweating. In my clinic, I don't just perform aesthetic treatments, but also some medical treatments as well. And the treatment for excessive sweating can have a huge impact on individuals because it does have a real impact on their daily lives and their confidence. Excessive sweating, or hyperhidrosis as it's medically known, is a condition where the body produces more sweat than it needs to regulate the temperature. It very commonly affects the underarms, but can also affect other parts of the body as well. Importantly, this isn't about hygiene or lifestyle. It's caused by overactive sweat glands, often triggered by nerve signals. And this is where anti-wrinkle treatment comes in. It basically blocks the nerve signal to that overactive sweat gland and reduces the sweating. The most common body area that I will treat is the underarms. It's a quick, painless procedure that takes between 10 and 20 minutes. Under the arm, you will notice some little bumps afterwards. You can resume to normal activities, but you must be mindful not to get too hot within 1 to 2 days of your treatment because it can reduce the longevity. You'll usually start to notice a reduction in sweating within 3 to 7 days, with your full results at around 2 weeks. The effect typically lasts around 4 months, after which the treatment can be repeated. This treatment might be for you if you've noticed that you sweat excessively despite the use of deodorant. It limits you socially and makes you choose different clothes or even avoid certain situations, socially or professionally. It's a medically recognized treatment and it is very effective. If you feel this might be for you, just get in touch.